Hi, watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As a state officer from Punjab Agriculture University, they has written letter to SDM West regarding proposal to uproot around 94 trees for some development works over here. The students, they have gathered over here in Punjab Agriculture University. They are protesting against this move by the PAU administration. What is your name?
Sir Amitoz.
Abhitoji, what is the entire issue? Why you are protesting over here?
We are protesting here because the University Authority has made a decision to cut near about 100 trees. This is, we can say, wrong because trees, we are say because main thing we need in our environment.
Right.
Because I think that Punjab is facing floods, Himachal is facing floods, other states are facing floods. Trees are being uprooted, and trees hold a lot of water inside their roots, inside the earth. They recharge water.
Right.
They not only purify the air. That's why trees are very, very important for our ecosystem, for our environment. These are, we can say, our valuable assets for our economy.
Right.
That's why.
So how many trees are going to be uprooted and at which location?
These are near about 100 trees, and we think that this is due to corporate model, pro-corporate model. Because in University of Hyderabad, near about 100 acres of forest was being cleared, and the students of Hyderabad protested against, we can say, that policy, and they stopped the cutting of 400 acre of jungle. And in Hasdev forest in Chhattisgarh, the Adani has cleared thousands of hectares of jungles, which is very large, which is larger than, we can say, many big cities. And there are also, Supreme Court has changed the definition of Aravalli range. 90% of Aravalli is endangered. We say that this is overall all over India model, pro-corporate model, anti-environment model, which we should reject. Every people of India, every people of, we can say, our country, our states, we should speak against this, because otherwise they will implement, they will, we can say, cut everything they want.
So have you taken this issue with the Vice Chancellor as of now?
No, we have not talked with our respected Vice Chancellor, but we will talk in future with Dr. Saab, and we will try to say that they should repeal their decision.
So what is your further planning? That have you taken up this matter with any further organization, or like it was being announced by some of your representatives that you are going to take up this matter with NGT?
Yes, if there will be need, we will take the need of we can say support of farm organization or other organizations, student organizations are with us. But we will make every decision according to the students of PAU. All the PAU students you are watching here, and who went after March, they will meet again and they will decide what to do. Okay, thank you so much.
So he was one of the students who participated in this protest. So they mentioned that around 94 to 100 trees are proposed to be uprooted from in the Punjab Agriculture University for some development works. So these students, they are protesting against this decision. They are demanding a Vice Chancellor to immediately withdraw this decision. Otherwise, they mentioned that they will take up this matter with the NGT, as well as they have initiated talk with different organizations, even farmer organization, Public Action Committee. So they are going to take up this matter with different organizations while demanding Vice Chancellor Punjab Agriculture University to immediately withdraw this decision. So you're watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.